Yeah.
Hello viewers, myself Raghavan Chatterjee, Assistant Teacher of the SB Public High School, and today we will discuss a very important chapter of class 10. The name of the chapter is Quadratic Equation. Quadratic Equation, you will get board question from here, you will get short question from here in your board examination. It is a very important one for your future also. So, we will start the chapter Quadratic Equation. Now, you people know what is equation. Equation is a very balanced relationship between the numbers, variables and the mathematical operations. Here also in quadratic equation, here we find out the numbers a, b, c are the real numbers, x is the variable and it's a balanced relationship. So the equation is in the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is a quadratic equation where a, b, c are real numbers and most important a not equal to 0. That is the condition. When you get this type of equation, we say it is an equation of x, it is a quadratic equation of x. Now, you will get what question? We have to find out the zeros or roots of the quadratic equation and some specific conditions are provided, and because of the conditions what will be the result? Now here it is written that where a, b, c are real numbers and a not equal to 0. But suppose if a is equal to 0, then if a is equal to 0, then what will happen? If a is equal to 0, that means 0 into x square, that becomes a linear equation. We get a linear equation and the result is x is equal to only one value, 1 0. We will get the result, the x is equal to only 1 0. If b is equal to 0, then what happens? If b is equal to 0, then we will find out that ax square plus c is equal to 0 and the result is x is equal to plus minus equal value. We will get two value, two zeros, two roots, but both are on the different opposite sides. And if c is equal to 0, then if c is equal to 0, then the equation becomes ax square plus bx is equal to 0 and one root is obviously 0. And there is a condition. You will get short question based on the condition. If a is equal to 0, what will happen? If b is equal to 0, what will happen on the quadratic equation? And if c is equal to 0, what happens in this quadratic equation? Right? Now if I want to go to the board question based, here the highest power of the variable, the degree of the equation, or we can say the highest power of the variable is 2. Then obviously we will get two values. That values we highlight here, two roots or zeros of the equation. Now, how to find out the zeros? Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 and we will find out two values or two roots. We will find out two roots of the equation by following two methods. First one is middle term factorization method. And second one is by applying Sridharacharya formula. Most important, and based on this topic, you will get more questions. Right? Either you have to find out by applying middle term factorization method, that you know, that you learn how to factorize middle term factorization by applying that method. And the second one is absolutely new now, that is the by Sridharacharya formula. So now, if I give you an example, I consider an equation x square plus 5x minus 14 is equal to 0. So, in this equation, I can easily find out the value of x, or you can say the roots of the equation by middle term factor. And the method is in this way: x square plus 7x minus 2x minus 14 is equal to 0. X plus 7 into x minus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, either x is equal to minus 7 or x is equal to 2. We got two roots by applying middle term factor. But if we apply Siddharacharya formula, the Siddharacharya formula say that x is equal to minus of b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a. Look here, the formula is x is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a. So it is very important here. From this equation, I have to find out a is equal to plus 1, b is equal to plus 5 and c is equal to minus 14. So that value of a, b and c we have to put here and we will get to root of x, or you say the roots of the quadratic equation, and definitely we will find the same answer by applying Siddharacharya formula. So thank you viewers. We will do continue in this class. Please follow our school channel.